Hi friends, Ali Pouchet here, founding stylist with Style Life, and I am here today to talk to you about why Style Life might be a great opportunity for you. So I know there's always a lot of hesitation when it comes to picking a new company to work for, especially direct sales. There are a ton of options to choose from, a lot of great companies out there, and you always ask yourself, should you join a brand new company if the opportunity arises and you're presented with that, or should you join an established company, one that's already got a large customer base and already has established consultants and training setups and things like that. So today I wanted to kind of focus on the benefits of joining a newer company, especially Style Life. There's a lot of great perks to this company. So the first one I want to talk about is the kinks with a new startup. So there are always going to be some hiccups when you're starting a new company. And the great thing about Style Life is that that's much less of an issue for us because we are backed by a company that has been in business for 32 years. The company is called Design. So Design offers the same sort of products that we offer in terms of greeting cards and party supplies and things like that, but they operate on the wholesale spectrum. So we handle the retail side, they handle wholesale. We are direct to consumer. So, but what's great about this is that we get to kind of piggyback on their infrastructure, on their shipping, on their manufacturing, on their customer service, things like that. So those systems have been in place for a really long time, and they've been working for 32 years to refine and perfect those. And so we as consultants and as a company with Style Life really get to benefit from the trial and error that they've done and the systems that they've put into place. So that's much less of a concern for us at Style Life than it is for other new startups. It also makes it easier for them to scale quickly. So Style Life is constantly bringing on new products and new product lines and introducing new things, and that is possible because we already have the manufacturing in place and we've already got the infrastructures there and the networks there to build on. So that's really great. We're able to offer new things all the time. So the next thing that people worry about when joining a new company is saturation. Now that's a term that we use a lot in direct sales, market saturation. Things like cosmetics, clothing, supplements, those are all heavily saturated industries and markets, especially in direct sales. So the great thing about Style Life is that there are very few companies who offer these sorts of products, and there is not one that offers only the type of products that we offer, so that exclusively to the company. So we are the only one of its kind in this industry, in the direct sales market, so that is awesome for us. Another great perk is that it requires no education, no consumer education, because everybody knows how to use greeting cards, everyone knows how to use invitations, everybody knows how to use gift wrap. Well, unless you're my husband who just gives it to me and I wrap it for him. But people know how to use those products, and so you don't have to work to show them the value in those because they already see it, because they're things that they use every single day. So that's another great perk to the products that we sell and this company, is it doesn't require as much sales. You don't have to try and pitch the items to them because people know the value. They use them all the time. Let's see what else. Product recognition. So one benefit to a larger company, like somebody who's been in business for several years, has hundreds of thousands of consultants, is that there's product recognition. So when I talk about Younique, you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? Because I'm sure you have several friends in your network who are wonderful people who sell this amazing product. So that's a definite benefit. But what's also a benefit to a new company is that you get to be the person who introduces this product to them. You get to be the person that your network thinks of when they think of greeting cards. So they think of Style Life, they're immediately gonna think of you because you're the one who introduced it to them. So that is a great position to be in for your network. It's gonna bring in referrals. You're gonna be their go-to for this brand and for this type of product. So that's a really great position for you. So let's see here. The last thing I want to talk about, this is a pretty brief video, I wanted to kind of make it quick and concise for you guys, is leadership and team building. So, more established companies can sometimes be able to offer more incentives, different types of things, more trips, more those types of things. But with a brand new company, you are poised and primed for team building because you can grow with the company. If you get in at the beginning, you are one of the first consultants And that has huge potential to build great teams and wonderful leaders in your downline. So, if the bigger your team is, obviously, the greater the income potential is. And obviously, it's not all about that, but, we're all in this industry to change our lives and to change the lives of others. So, what a great position for you to be in, to be poised as a leader for, these sorts of teams. So, a lot of times with older or more established companies, it's harder to rise in the ranks because there are so many consultants, and there are so many downlines, and it makes it harder for you to rise and build a team and things like that. So that is such an incredible benefit with ground floor opportunities like this one, because as I said, you get to grow with the company. As the company grows, so does your team. So those are just a few points I want you to kind of think about when you're trying to decide if Style Life is right for you and you're trying to make the decision about which company that you should join. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, or I'm going to post the link. You can click the link in the caption of this video and you can reach me directly. My phone number is available via the link as well. You can PM me on Facebook, join my Facebook group if you're interested in more information, and go like my Facebook page. So I hope this was informational for you, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks, guys.